Today is the 23rd of June 2022 and we are on Hevoshaansilta, Tuesday, just one example of these in this residential building because it's been replaced by Schindler. But still with the interior that is not so bad. It's here in Gesterby. Kirkkonummi Schindler. Also in the Helsingfors region, also in Finland. Built in replaced in 2016, but originally built in the 1970s, early 1970s probably.
Yeah.
It will be inspected this year in 2022. You pass these 5 bursts of photographs, and the number is 00200 This one has 7 floors. And this is edge, but there are 7 floors here.
Yeah.
They should have chosen Coney with the same type of wooden cab.
Yeah. Inspected by Sapient, maintained by Schindler.
Yeah. This beep is so irritating.
Yeah. That's